Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Paio Hazard on iOS and Android fully working in 2025. So as you can see, I got the game on my phone, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it right away. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website called hexmods.com, which has tons of mods for apps and games. So once you're on the site, you're going to find Paio Hazard, and we're just going to go ahead and press on it. Press the download button, and it is going to download the game. So let's just give it a second for it to download. If you have on your internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. So anyway, before it downloads, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. So do not get scared. This simply means downloading some apps and completing the instructions. They're completely free, and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it says Paio Hazard mod installer, complete 2 free apps or surveys. So basically what you have to do is complete 2 free apps or surveys. So you might be confused and be like, what do you mean? Well, all you have to do is download 2 of these apps, and they all have different instructions. So Baba says down, run for 30 seconds, Swagbucks, install, open, and complete 2 games. You're probably going to see different apps depending on what country you're in. That's fine. But anyway, just press on the app, press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the Play Store because I'm on an Android. If you're on an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store. You download the app, you're done. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you guys want to play Paio Hazard on iOS and Android, be sure to try this out because it actually works, guys. As you can see, fully updated for 2025. So yeah, it fully works. So a lot of people don't know how to play it on mobile, so that's why I made this video for you guys. But yeah, it actually works, as you can see. So that is super cool. So be sure to try it out, guys. As you can see, it fully updated everything. So if you guys are interested in this game, definitely go ahead and try it out because it is fully playable, as you can see, which is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, bro.